The Measure widget allows you to measure distance and area. There are 3 different tools within the Measure widget. The first tool is Area. Click on the box representing the Area tool. Then, to the right, select the unit of measurement you would like to use. Then, simply click on the map to place your first point. Create the vertices of the shape you want to measure the area of by clicking along the map. Once 3 points are down, the tool will automatically fill in the area between them and generate the measurement result. However, you can include more than 3 points if you need. Once you've finished with your shape and made note of your measurement result, you can simply double-click to clear. However, this erases your measurement result, so make sure you copied the number somewhere if you'll need it. The second measure tool is Length. Click on the box representing the Length tool. Again, to the right, you can select the unit of measurement you'd like. Click on the first point where you'd like to begin your measurement. Continue to click the points along the length you're trying to measure. This can be a line, or if you want to measure a perimeter, a polygon. Once 2 points have been placed, the tool will automatically generate a measurement. However, you can keep going if you need. To clear it, simply double-click, then click anywhere else on the map. The third measure tool measures the distance between 2 points in degrees or DMS. You only place 1 point on the map, however. Click on the box representing the Location tool. Select your unit. Then place your first point. The distance between that point and where in the map your mouse is will be automatically generated. If you want to save this distance, it is recommended you take a screenshot while your mouse is hovered over the correct location. The Draw widget allows you to draw directly on the map. Open up the widget from the sidebar and select which type of shape you'd like to draw: point, circle, polyline, freehand polyline, polygon, or freehand polygon. You can draw on the map with a left click. As you mouse over the map, pop-ups will appear to give you specific instructions about how to manage the shape tool you've selected. The drawings will remain on screen even as you zoom in or out and pan across the map. They will be cleared when you refresh the page. However, if you'd like to clear them sooner, simply select the Refresh button. Please note that this will clear all drawings on the page, not just some.